Okay, so first off, I'm sorry if my table shakes a little bit. So I also wanted to show you guys the stacked single crochet. I am working, this piece right here is a pair of pants that I'm designing, and instead of using the chain 3 to start each round, I decided to do a stacked single crochet because it almost eliminates the gapping that you see along this seam. Now there is a little gap on the opposite side of your seam, but it's much less noticeable compared to the chain 3 and the gapping that you would end up getting on this side. And if you use this stacked single crochet, you don't have to worry about placing a double crochet into the same stitch. You can use that stacked single crochet as your first double crochet instead of using the chain 3 as your first double crochet, and it looks a lot nicer in my opinion. So I've already joined the last round using the reverse slip stitch, and I'm going to chain up 1, and then I'm going to place 1 single crochet into that same stitch. And then what you're going to do to stack your single crochets is you're going to go into the side of your single crochet, and you're just going to pick up that 1 loop there. I'm sorry if Kiwi's a bit loud. And you're going to just single crochet into that loop, and it gives you this 2 single crochets stacked on top of each other effect. And then I just go back to doing my regular double crochets like I would for any other round, just like that. And then when I go to join, I'll join in the top of the stacked single crochet, just like that. And so I wanted to show you guys that as well as the reverse slip stitch, because when I go to release these patterns, if you guys don't know how to do them, you're gonna need to know how to do that if you guys choose to do these pants. And I will link, or I'll put the reverse slip stitch join video in the cards at the end of the video.